Hello and what's up guys, how are you? So today in this video I will show you how you can install MongoDB in Windows 10. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, open any browser. So I open Google Chrome, and first of all we need to download MongoDB. So type here MongoDB community server. Press enter. Now click on this first link and open it. Now here you can see that mongodb.com is official website where we will download our MongoDB. So let's wait until it open. So here you can see that now we have to choose. Here you can see that community server. So click on the select package. Now you can see that the current version is 7.0.6 and we have to click on this download. So it will ask it will start downloading our MongoDB. So let's open. So here you can see that my MongoDB is now downloading. So let's wait until it complete. So now you can see that our MongoDB community server has been downloaded successfully. Now let's run this installer. Now simply double click on this installer. So it will open a wizard to install MongoDB. Here you can see that window installer is now shown here. Now let's minimize this. Now simply you need to click on next. You have to accept terms and the license agreement. So check this. Now click on next. You need to click on this complete. Now here you can see that install MongoDB as a service. You just simply click on next. Also make sure click on this next and click on install. So now it will installing our MongoDB 7.0.6 version. So now let's wait until it complete. So here while installing MongoDB, our MongoDB Compass is also downloading. So make sure your internet connection is on. So here you can see that our MongoDB Compass is successfully downloaded. So let's close for this time. And here you can see that our MongoDB setup wizard is now successfully installed. So simply click on finish. So our MongoDB is successfully now installed. Now we have to set up environment variable for this. So we have to go inside this PC, inside C drive, inside the program files. Now we have to set MongoDB. Here you can see that MongoDB. Double click, open it. I'll go into server. Also inside this and inside this bin, we need to copy this path and we need to set in environment variable. So go here search bar and type here edit. So first click on this first, edit the system environment variable. Now click on this edit environment variable. Now we have to first need to add this path. So click on this new and paste here our copied path here and just simply type here MongoDB. Click on OK. Now go to below. Inside the system variables we need to find path. So here you can see that path. Now click on this and click on edit. Now we need to add new here. So click on new and paste our path here. Now OK. Click on OK. Also OK. So our MongoDB environment variable is also successfully set up. So we need to download one more file which is MongoDB shell, which is for command line. So let's type here MongoDB shell. MongoDB shell download. Now click on this first link. So here you can see that 2.1.5. Now simply select this chip instead of MSI. Now simply click on download. So it will start downloading. So here it is showing downloading is now. Let's wait until it complete. So here you can see that we have successfully downloaded MongoDB shell. So just simply double click on this to install this. Now let me minimize this and click on next. Also click on next and install it. So it will fastly install. So here you can see that our MongoDB shell is now successfully finished. So now our MongoDB is successfully installed. Now let's check whether our MongoDB is successfully installed or not. So just open CMD here, and here you can type Mongo sh and press enter. So so here you can see that our MongoDB is now successfully connected in our CMD. As well as we also downloaded the MongoDB Compass here. You can also use that one, that for graphical user interface. So let's type here show DBS to check our databases. So type here show DBs and press enter. So here you can see that we have successfully shown here different database that already come with MongoDB. So here you can see that admin, config, local and test is also coming. Now here you can define your insert or any other MongoDB operation here. Now let me simply close this and let me show you MongoDB UI Compass. So you need to type here MongoDB Compass. So this is the graphical user interface where we here you can see that MongoDB Compass, and this is for our local MongoDB connection URL. Now simply you need to click on this connect. So here you can see that we have successfully connected to our MongoDB, and here you can see that our different database is now shown here. So we also show in terminal as well as in MongoDB Compass. So this is the process that how you can install MongoDB in Windows 10. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon and join my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.